And breaking news just coming in, the blame game continues between the centre and the Delhi government. Now, a central government study of Delhi hospitals and oxygen supplies blames Delhi government for failing to accept ramped up supplies. The report says that Delhi government has been returning oxygen and asking manufacturers to store oxygen in their own infrastructure facilities that has been made by them. And this has been happening since the 8th of May after the oxygen supply was ramped up. Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, is getting us more details on that story. Rahul, it does look like Delhi government seems to be battling the problem of infrastructure as far as storage and transport of oxygen is concerned, and this is what the centre's report seems to be pointing at.
Yeah, there has been a bitter war of words beyond the cries of despair and gasping as far as oxygen is concerned in Delhi, between the Delhi government and the central government. It has gone to the court, with the central government even facing the spectre of a contempt of court incident. Now, what has happened is that if the central government was beleaguered, had its back against the wall because of the petition by the Delhi government, they actually expect something close to 700 metric tons of oxygen to battle the cases in Delhi. Now what the central government is trying to say is that, one, the demand was exaggerated, and second, Delhi is not even prepared to receive say 3/4 of the oxygen which it was initially demanding. Now there has been a study by PESO. It's a Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry entity. It has been submitted to the DPIIT, a department under the Ministry of Commerce, coordinating the oxygen and other medical supplies. And this report says that on a daily basis, 45 to 64 hospitals out of the 68 in Delhi were surveyed for 5 days, 2 cycles, that is morning and evening, that means 10 cycles. And it has been found that Delhi, on several instances, based on the versions even provided by the manufacturers, 3 of them very big, one is Air Liquide, Linde and Goel Gas and others, it's clear that Delhi has been returning a lot of oxygen which was supposed to accept. So what the report has listed is that most of the hospitals have beyond 24% oxygen. It also says that a large number now have even 75% stored oxygen. Even hospitals are returning the sanctioned or allocated or received oxygen. So much so, by email or phone calls, Delhi government has been telling manufacturers, please store the oxygen which is allocated to us in your own tanks. We don't have capacity. I tried contacting people in the Delhi government, could not get a response. But it is perhaps because of this excess supply, low storage, that yesterday the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Manish Sisodia, went on record to say that Delhi needs 582 MT, not 700. Perhaps that rethink came because of this study which was impending.
All right, Rahul, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Rahul Srivastava with that report from Delhi. Well, the deadly virus is already wreaking havoc in states like UP.